Good morning, students. Let us continue with Pythagoras theorem, state and Cbse Pythagoras theoretical problems. This is from state syllabus. Icse is 8.4. Already have done so many problems regarding this. Please refer to my videos. ABC is a right triangle at B. ABC is a right triangle at B. Let D and E are any points. Let D and E are any points on AB and BC respectively. On AB and BC respectively. So what you have to prove? AE square plus CD square. AE square plus CD square is equal to AC square plus DE square. Something they are asking like that. So it's quite clear. ABC is a right angle at D. Is asking to prove that AE square plus CD square is equal to something they give like this. So it's very simple. First consider triangle. Which triangle you have to consider to get AE square? AE square is asking. Consider triangle ABE, right? ABE. So ABE is equal to what? AE square is equal to consider triangle ABE. Apply Pythagoras theorem. AE square is equal to AB square plus BE square. Right? AB square plus BE square. Next, CD given. Now consider triangle BCD. See what you have to prove. CD square. So BCD. So this becomes the hypotenuse. CD square is equal to BD square plus BC square by Pythagoras theorem. You can write by Pythagoras theorem. So once again, AE square. If you consider this triangle, this becomes the hypotenuse. AE square is equal to AB square plus BE square. Now if you consider this triangle BCD, so BCD, this becomes the hypotenuse. So DC square is equal to BD square plus BC square. That is what I have written, BD square plus BC square. Now add these two because he is asking to prove this one, AE square plus CD square. Adding 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2, what you will get? AE square plus CD square is equal to what you will get? AB square plus BE square plus BD square plus BC square, right? So this already we got this. Now AB square plus you club these two, BC, AB square plus BC, club these two, plus BE square means join these two, BE square plus BD square, this and this, BE square plus BD square, AB square plus BC square, AB square plus BC square is nothing but AC square, right? Plus BE square plus BD square is nothing but join these two. You can write here construction join DE. Construction, write down join DE. Construction statement, write down join DE. So therefore BE square plus BD square is nothing but DE square. So why we have to write like this? AB square plus BC square, AB square plus BC square is AC square. Triangle ABC, for this triangle ABC is right angle, or else triangle ABC is right angle at B, also AC is hypotenuse. You can write like this. Next, consider triangle ABC. Now BE square plus BD square, BE square plus BD square. Now since you can write here triangle BED. Triangle BD is right angle at B. Triangle BED is right angle at B. Also DE is hypotenuse. Also DE is hypotenuse. So there ends the problem. Very simple. But this is important question. They may ask in exam. Please make a note of it. Next one. Is it clear? What is given I took and just interchange these letters. Therefore, you will get the theorem. Very simple this is. There is no confusion, nothing. Just one construction join DE. That's it. Another problem. Prove that 3 times of the square of any side of an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle you should draw. Prove that 3 times the square of any side of an equilateral triangle. 3 times the square of any side of an equilateral triangle, I am taking this side, is equal to 4 times the square of the altitude. Is equal to 4 times the square of the altitude. Is the question clear? Prove that 3 times the square of any side of an equilateral triangle. Any side of an equilateral triangle means I took 3. I took AB. 3 times the square of an equilateral triangle is equal to 4 times what is given? 4 times the square of the altitude. So it's very simple. How will you do this one? Just apply Pythagoras theorem. So triangle ADB is congruent to triangle ADB is congruent to triangle ADC. Why? Can anyone say? By RHS property. Right angle, hypotenuse, side. So all sides are equal in an equilateral triangle. So you write down all the steps. AB is equal to AC here. Side. This is common side AB. AD and angle ADB and angle ADC both are 90 degrees. Therefore, by RHS property, this triangle is congruent to this triangle. Therefore, now also, therefore, BD is equal to, what is BD is equal to DC, right? BD is equal to DC. That is equal to half of BC, right? BD is equal to DC, that is equal to half. I will get this length half of BC. Suppose if this is 4, if this is 4, total length is 8. Half of 8 is nothing but 4 only, no? So 4, half of BC length. BC is 8. So simple explanation, just I took an example. Now consider triangle, any triangle. Triangle ADB or whatever you want. Consider triangle ABD, right? Square on the hypotenuse. AB square is equal to BD square plus AD square, right? Square on the hypotenuse, sum of squares on the other two sides. Now AB square is equal to BD. How will you get? I have written, no? BD is nothing but half of BC plus AD square, right? Now this is nothing but 1 by 4 BC square plus AD square. AB square. Bring this over here. AB square minus 1 by 4 to BC square is equal to AD square, right? So here AB, BC. AB is there, BC is there. In an equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. So both are same. So 1 minus 1 by 4 of AB, or else if you want you can write here AB, write as it is, minus 1 by 4th, again AB you write. Why you have to write like this? In place of BC, why you are writing AB? Because ABC is equilateral triangle. Write down that step. So take the LCM. AB square both are same. 1 minus 1 by 4. 1 minus 1 by 4 is nothing but 3 by 4. So 3 by 4th AB square is equal to AD square, right? So 3AD square is equal to 3AB square is equal to 4AD square. 3AB square is equal to 4AD square. Hence the problem. Very simple. There is nothing confusion in this. Just prove that these two triangles are congruent, and therefore consider any of the triangles, either this one or this one. Then one main hint in this problem is BD is nothing but half of BC. Therefore, equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. Bring this to here. Then hence the theorem. AB and DC both are same. So that's why you keep as AD as it is. Keep in mind what we have to prove. AD, 4AD square. So 4AD square, 3. These 3 how we got? Take the LCM of these two. There is the solution. So state syllabus, almost I have covered everything. Only 3 problems left over. Please refer to my videos from starting. Those who are studying in state syllabus, please refer it. And now I will be doing some more difficult problems from other textbook. In triangle ABC, in a right angle triangle triangle ABC, in which angle C is 90, right? Angle C is 90. If D is the midpoint of BC, once again, in a right angle triangle ABC, in which angle C is 90, D is the midpoint of BC. Prove that D is the midpoint of BC. Prove that AB square minus AD square is equal to 3 times AD square minus AC square. So how will you do this one? So AB square minus AD square. Join this. Join construction. Join AD. Apply Pythagoras theorem for this. Consider triangle ACB. Consider triangle ACB. Apply Pythagoras theorem. Square on the hypotenuse. AB square is equal to BC square plus AC square, right? BC square plus AC square. Now consider triangle. Which triangle you will consider? Here AD is there. So ACD. Consider triangle ACD. Square on the hypotenuse. AD square is equal to sum of squares on the other two sides. CD square minus AC square. Sorry, CD square plus AC square. Subtract these two. Why we have to subtract? Keep in mind what we have to prove. AB square minus AD square. So AB square minus AD square. I am subtracting this and this. So this will get cancelled. BC square minus CD square. Subtracting 1 minus 2. You will get like this. Right? Now BC is nothing but 2 times. Here CD is there, no? So I want to write BC as 2 times CD whole square, right? BC is nothing but 2 times CD, no? Because since D is the midpoint. So this is nothing but 4 CD square minus CD square. This is nothing but 3 CD square, right? 4 CD square and 4 CD square minus CD square is 3 CD square. CD square. Now you see here CD square. How will you get CD square? Here already we have written on CD square. CD square how will you get? Just AD square minus AC square. AB square minus, write this as it is, AD square is equal to 3 times CD square. How will you get this one? Hypotenuse square minus this one. So AD square minus AC square. So there ends the problem. It's a very simple question, nothing confusion. So again he is asking 3 CD square is nothing but AD square minus this CD. How will you get this CD? Hypotenuse square minus this one. So there ends the solution. Thank you students, have a nice day. Please click on the blue color icon button and subscribe my channel. Please share these videos with your friends, which is very helpful. I am doing from all the textbook, state, Cbse, Icse, different types of textbooks, RS Agarwal, Manjit Singh, all the textbooks I have covered. Thank you students, have a nice day, bye.